Welcome to ElectCom automation tutorial points. Today we are going to see how to wire and construct automatic streetlight system, and these are circuit diagram. Let me explain the component that is drawn here one after the other. First, we have the AC voltage of 220 volt supply. These are neutral terminal. These are live terminal. And this is a circuit breaker with terminal L, which means our live is going to be terminated here. And these are neutral terminal, meaning our neutral is going to be terminated here. And this is the input of the circuit breaker. Here is the output of the circuit breaker. These are live terminal, these are neutral terminal, giving out the output to a photo cell. This is a photo cell, and these are the terminals of the photo cell. We have N, we have LO, we have L1, and N is the neutral of the photo cell, neutral terminal. And this is the neutral from the circuit breaker coming to the neutral of the photo cell. This is the L1 of the photo cell. The L from the circuit breaker is coming to the L1 of the photo cell, which is the live terminal. And this is a contactor with terminal L1, L2, and L3. These are the input terminal of the contactor. We have the output terminal T1, T2, and T3. The output terminal of the contactor. We have another terminal which are the coil terminal of the contactor, which is A1, A2. And you can see from the circuit diagram, the neutral terminal of the photo cell is coming directly to the A2 of the contactor. This is going to be our neutral. And the LO of the photo cell is going directly to the A1 of the contactor, and that is our live terminal. And it's looped directly from A1 to L1, and that is the input voltage supply to the terminal of the contactor, input terminal, and this is the output terminal. And A2, which is neutral, to A3. And what happened is that there's a small logic here in this contactor. When once the terminal of the contactor is being, the coil terminal is being energized, which is when a voltage flow to this point, A1 and A2, what will happen is that the contactor will turn normally closed, but at the initial point, it was normally open. So when once it turns normally closed, we will give an output voltage to T1, T2, and T3, and from there we are taking our output voltage to our AC bulb. We can call this our street light or street light bulb, whatever you want to call it, but this is going to be the output. So T1 is going to L1 of your lamp holder or whatever you want to use it as the output, and T2 will be the neutral coming to the bulb. Now what happened is going to be, at daytime, the system will automatically switch off, meaning that the circuit from the photo cell will remain open, and at night, it will automatically switch on, meaning that the circuit is going to be closed, and this system will close to give an output voltage, and your AC terminal will receive an AC output voltage. And now these are the physical components. This is my AC bulb, this is my contactor, my terminals, the input terminals and the output terminals. This is my circuit breaker with the input terminals and the output terminal. This is my photo cell. You can see this is the input terminal that is coming to the circuit breaker, and I will use my multimeter, voltage multimeter, to check the voltage that is coming into the circuit breaker. And as I'm checking it, I will now know the voltage. the voltage is showing me 201 volts, meaning it's 201 volt that is coming into the circuit breaker. And this is my photocell. Now how the system operates is that at night the system will automatically switch on, and at daytime the system will automatically switch off. Now meaning that now is daytime because there is light intensity that is radiating to the photocell. Now if I bring any black object or making the environment of the photocell to be dark, therefore means it's at night, then it will switch on the bulb. When there is light intensity, meaning that it is daytime, the bulb will automatically switch off, as it switch off now. Now let's see how it will switch on by bringing this black object to cover it, making it enclosed with the photocell so as to make the bulb to switch on. Let's see how it's going to work. Now as you can see, it has switched on the bulb automatically, meaning it is night. Now if I take out the black object, the bulb will automatically switch off. That is how the system works. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Thank you.